steel cut clean, built from scratch, know what we mean. Plasma burning wells looking right. Custom rides, taking flight. Basic bag work, bringing bills to life. Air ride fabrication working into the night. From the frame up, every detail in sight. We delivering masterpieces into the light. Cut it, weld it, lay it out. We are anything but basic. Bag Wurx.
Alright, so like I said the other night, figure I'll start video and making content off of making orders. Currently, got some upper bag plates that we're cutting for Mazda, some spider bracket gussets that were for him, and we got another order for over the actual bag bracket.
Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
But I promise you, baby, I'll always be
So, kind of wanted to show you guys some of the things we do to fulfill orders. What you saw there was an order for a upper bag plate bracket kit that's gonna go on a Mazda, and then he ordered some special custom spiderweb gussets, and we also did a mock-up bag for that guy. Then the other order was for some over the axle bag brackets, and so what you saw there was we plastic cut the parts out, cleaned them up. We had to put bends on those over axle bag brackets, put some 90s in those, and then we boxed them up. I mean, it's fairly simple, fairly straightforward, but yeah, the office here is is definitely on the small side. I mean, I can pretty much touch all four walls from standing in the center. Because we did take that area over there and turn it into part storage, and that's where the air compressor for the shop lives. And then the rest of this building is office / shipping / storage catch-all. So, and we got shipping boxes and shipping things all over there. And then, yeah. Still got a lot of stuff I want to do to this office. Need to finish insulating the roof. Then I've got panels to finish out this. I've got flooring that I wanted to put in here that I bought as well. And then recently, I bought some stuff that way I can make a shipping station over there on that wall, the one behind me. But maybe it'll show you guys how Basic Bag Works fulfills your standard orders. They come in on the website, we got in the shop, cut them, clean them up, bend them if we need to, weld them if we need to, box them up, throw a shipping label on it, and get it out the door. So yeah, hope this video helps us get back on track with posting on the regular. It's not much of a video, I know that, but yeah, we're still trying to play catch up. Once you get behind, it's hard to get caught back up. So we're in that process. This will be a short video, roughly 15 minutes total or so, real short. But comment down below, let us know what you think about this new intro. And I want to take a second and appreciate and give a shout out to everybody that has taken a moment of their time and has either sent a message, commented on the Facebook posts or Instagram posts, or even the YouTube video. It's meant a lot to see that support from everybody. Y'all keep it up. That support for me, for anybody else you watch on YouTube means a lot. Because without y'all, what's the point in doing YouTube, really? Trying to give y'all some stuff to watch. May not always be enjoyable stuff, but I'll try to bring you more. There'll probably be a variety of things that will get uploaded now. But I'm going to try to get back on that once a week. And get you something every Tuesday. So I'm going to try for it. But don't hold me to it. Like I said, we're still trying to get caught up. It's Friday evening right now. So this weekend I'm going to try and get some more stuff caught up from the 1,000 subscriber giveaways. Now that we got all of our t-shirts in, the short orders and that. So yeah. Also, if you wanted a shirt, I've got a few left. They are on the website. Make sure you run over there. BasicBagWorks.com. Go to the apparel section. The Toyota t-shirts are there. There's very few left. So, and once those are gone, we'll come out with something else later on. On that note, we'll catch you guys next time. Keep doing work.